Hey everyone, and welcome to another installment of AI Tools for Digital Nomads. I'm Gil Golden. Today we'll be talking about a new content stack. Gamma and HeyGen are now partnering together to streamline content production. Let's explore this new integration, a smarter approach to creating, structuring, and delivering content at scale. Traditional content creation is time-consuming and complex, involving separate script writing, slide design, and editing. Now, AI-powered workflows streamline this process, integrating structure, presentation, and video seamlessly. This approach is fast, consistent, and scalable, eliminating traditional bottlenecks. Gamma transforms your ideas into organized, professional presentations quickly, create polished decks, courses, and content flows without starting from scratch, benefit from clear visual organization with hierarchy and layouts that communicate effectively. Achieve fast professional output, turning ideas into fully formed presentations in a fraction of the usual time. HeyGen converts your structured slides into video content using AI avatars. These lifelike presenters deliver with natural voice and expression. You can select from various voices or clone your own for brand consistency. Each video maintains high quality, eliminating bad takes and reshoots. When Gamma and HeyGen collaborate, they streamline the entire production process. From initial idea to polished video, the system is scalable and efficient. This modern content stack minimizes the gap between concept and delivery, transforming ideas into finished videos seamlessly. Speed up production dramatically, reducing days to mere hours. Achieve scalability by building once and replicating across platforms effortlessly. Ensure consistency with professional quality and brand voice in every piece. Simplify your process with tools that handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on ideas. Build smarter and scale faster with real workflows and examples. If this content interests you, subscribe to follow step-by-step breakdowns and see this stack in action. I'm Gil Golden. I'll catch you later.